flavour.
Like, yeah, there's like the neck drum it's going to take on 5 years, second half, and we not. And the first half was like, we're playing well, like, you know, 16, we're up by 10 and a half, something like that, like, yeah. And then the second half, it's usually a bit intense, been pretty tough, but that's what we're like. As soon as they got hit that free throw, they just started swearing. It was the brand name Bill and then it's all redhead they're not bad. He's not weak, he's just it's like from this point of view, like whether it's a foul or it's from most of the point, like from our point of view, they're 10 points in our like 50. But you lose the game, so like you just let it go. They were like they just got to be down. So I'm like just go 5 minutes of the 10 minutes and all the rest of the